Whether you win or not, it's going to suck if you lose. Keep this in mind. You are going to hate it. You are going to dread it. It is not going to be fun. It is not going to be convenient. That's whether you prepped for it or you didn't. The feelings are going to be there. Now, you can throw in the towel and lose before you even die, be a failure your whole life, and never give yourself a chance, right? So that means the whole life was just shit. You just laid down and died, never giving yourself a chance. You didn't enjoy it before you lost, and you didn't enjoy it after you lost. Now, if you give it your all, if you go after, you give everything you fucking can, and you lose, at least you had the thrill of the chase. At least you can enjoy it. Because when you lose, it sucks. You're done. But when you win, it's so much greater. And you never give yourself a chance to win if you just lay down and die. And if you lose giving it your all, you're not going to know you're dead until you're dead. Right? A lot of people die before they even die. They die several times before they're buried. For they're patted in the face with a shovel. And you have to take that into account, because basically when you don't know you're dead until you're dead, that means I'm not going to ever have that negative failure feeling, because I'm just going to keep going after it no matter what. If I keep failing, if I keep losing, I keep getting up, I keep going after it, I keep going after it, I keep saying maybe today, maybe today, maybe today. I keep going, giving myself that chance every day. And if it gets to be that time and I just can't keep going, I can't survive, right? I'm going to be dead. But I'm not going to know it, because I'm never going to stop fighting. I'm not going to know I'm dead till the sword's in my back. I'm going to be hacking and slashing and fighting, defending, and just going after it no matter the circumstances, no matter where my life is. I have a sense of urgency every day. I have to get this stuff done. I want to enjoy the process. People say, enjoy life. You have to enjoy life. Yes, you do have to enjoy life. And my question to you is, do you enjoy washing the dishes? Because if the answer to that is no, then your entire philosophy on life is flawed. Because if you can't learn to enjoy doing the dishes, you can't enjoy anything in life. And what I want to bring that home, because when you're constantly in the moment, you're constantly going after it, right? You only come out of the moment to put it on paper, to document it, to list your goals. Then you go right back into the moment. You go right back into the process. And no matter what I'm doing, if I'm sweeping the floors, cleaning the dishes, doing whatever I'm doing, I'm enjoying it because I'm in the moment. I'm feeling the cool water. I'm seeing the glisten. I'm appreciating the clean, how I transform something from dirty to clean. I appreciate every little thing. I never ever live in the future when it comes to not enjoying the present. So I'm not thinking of, man, I can't wait to be done with this so I can go do that. No, I'm in this moment and I'm enjoying it. What this does is you can't constantly be thinking about, well, I'm going to be missing out. I could be getting so much work done, because you have to give your brain a rest. And believe it or not, when you're in the now and you're appreciating these moments, your brain it's not an overdrive. When you're constantly thinking and stressing, that's putting your brain and pushing it to, it's like, if you think of it, the car, it's pushing it to the last gear and really revving that engine as high as it can go. We want just a nice, relaxed cruise control, and it never goes over the speed limit. It always stays where we want it to stay when we are in the now and appreciating it. And once you develop this habit, it becomes second nature, just like any other habit. And it gives you a lot more time to really rest your brain, and you'll notice it, because when you come to the now and you're doing your work and you're grinding and you're appreciating everything, you're not thinking about, man, this sucks. You're thinking about, man, the dishes are clean. Look at that. Man, the water feels cool. Man, look at the sun outside. Man, it's a pretty day. Wow, look at that. Look at that little insect. I wonder what he's doing. It's just like, you have to get out of your head sometimes, and you have to enjoy the small things, because if you don't, then you're not enjoying most of life, because most of life is the small things. That's most of life. If you're to add it all together, all the times you're waiting in line, all the times you're doing busy work, all the times you're doing something you would consider unfun, when you string that together, it becomes a very large part of your life. And you have to really enjoy it. And this also helps you tremendously to enjoy things that are enjoyable, because how many times have you been somewhere and you find yourself thinking about work, or you find yourself thinking about something else? So you're not even enjoying the enjoyable moments, let alone the small moments, because you have to understand, if you're on the ship and it's sinking, no amount of stress, nothing's going to help that, right? The only thing that can help is you do everything in your power to get water off the boat and clog the hole, right? Sitting there stressing, that's not going to do anything. And if the boat sinks, the boat motherfucking sinks. And sometimes you have to swim. People have to learn to swim sometimes. And if you drown, you drown. Good game. But don't stress about it, right? You're not going to know you drowned until you have no more energy, right? And there's no more hope. And you're done, right? And then there's going to be that 20, 30 seconds of brutalness. And it's over. Right? But you know, when you're swimming, you're not thinking about that. You're not stressed. You're saying, hey, there's land. I can make it. I can do this. You're utmost positive. You have to be that way in all aspects of life.